Guys, ito na pala yung ating gulay sa ating pork pochero natin. Yan. Meron tayong tomato sauce at saka yung porking beans natin, banana. Yan, guys, oh. Saka yung ating gulay, guys. Pichay Baguio, Pichay Tagalog, saka Baguio beans, guys. Repolyo lang. Guys, tinanggal natin dulo yung ating Baguio beans. Pichay Baguio natin, guys. Ang ating cabbage. Yan, guys, ganyan lang kalalaki, guys. Yung ating gulay. Guys, yung ating saging. Ito na pala, guys, yung ating pork ribs, guys. Pinalambot muna natin, malapit na to. Yung gulay natin, guys, na ugasan na pala natin yan, guys. Malinis na, guys. Antayin na lang natin, guys, lumambot yung ating spare ribs. Ayan. Sana umabot kayo, guys, sa dulo sa aking video, guys. Nanonood pala, guys, ng aking upload, guys. Shoutout nga pala, guys, sa inyo, guys. Salamat po. Bisa na tayo, guys. Yan, guys, sigisa muna natin, guys, yung ating guys, lagay na natin 250 ml, guys. Porking beans, guys. Yan, isang lata, malaki lang to, guys. Guys, dagdag pa tayo ng isang sachet lang. Yung ating saging, guys. Medyo matabang, guys, dagdag tayo ng konting rock salt. Local, guys. Okay natin, guys, lalagay na natin sa ating pochero, guys. And guys, nailagay na natin, guys. Ilang natin yung, guys, bomba, tatakpan natin. Add tayo, guys, ng bell pepper, guys. Luto na po yan, guys. Ayan, guys. Luto na po yung ating pochero, guys. Ayan, sana kung nagustuhan nyo, guys, paki-like and follow and share naman, guys. Ayan. Luto na po yan, guys, yung ating pork pochero. Ayan, guys, kain po tayo, guys. Taste natin. Saging, guys. Sundan na lang nyo, guys, yung aking video, guys. Yun lang, guys. Kain po tayo ulit, guys.